Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Buick Enclave Premium Group all-wheel drive, stock number Z9827XX. 48,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Iridium metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 6-year, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Fixed skylight overhead with sunshade. Rear audio as well as climate control. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat. Fold slide easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Wood and leather wrap steering wheel, which is heated. Great for those cold days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control along with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console, along with a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, homely transfer garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Enclave has a 3.6 liter V6, 288 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon and the city average of 22 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Enclave, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.